How to do live match with someone on TikTok. In today's video, we're going to show you how to do a live match with someone on TikTok. Whether you're collaborating with a friend, a fellow creator, or even having some fun with your followers, going live with someone else can make your streams way more interactive, so let's get started. Going live with another person on TikTok is an amazing way to engage with your audience and grow your community. It's like a split screen where both of you are at live at the same time, sharing the spotlight. The TikTok live match feature lets you invite someone else to join your live session in real time. It's perfect for co hosting, collaborating, or just having a fun back and forth with another creator. But there are a few things you need to know first. You need at least 1,000 followers on TikTok to go live. Both you and the person you're inviting into the live match need to be eligible for live streaming. Make sure both of you have good internet connections to ensure both smooth streaming. Once you meet these requirements, let's dive into TikTok Live. The first step is to start your own live stream. Open the TikTok app, and what you need to do is simply log into your account, tap the plus icon, and as you simply create a regular post, simply swipe to the live tab to start your live session. You need to add a title. Once that's done, you're all set to go live. Now that you're live, let's invite someone to join the live match. While you're live, tap the invite button, which should appear at the bottom of your screen. This will open up a list of your friends and followers who are available to join your live stream. Select the person you want to invite, and they'll receive a notification asking if they want to join your live match. Once they accept, they'll join your live stream and you'll both appear on the screen in a split format. You can now chat, interact, and share the live spotlight. And when you're ready to wrap up your live match, you can even end the live session by tapping the end button in the top right corner of your screen. And that's it. That's how you simply do a live match on TikTok and collaborate with another creator.